So in conclusion, I think that yes, it's possible to do this site assessment module indoors, but I think something is missing if you can't do an outdoor activity. I think it really brings it home, gets them to really think about what it would be like to use a piece of property, makes it much more real. If you're going to do that, there's obviously logistics need to pay attention to. One, which I think I mentioned before, is find something that is very similar to the kind of property that someone may lease or buy in the area where you're doing the training. Make sure that you get access. Talk with the landowner about potential liability. Perhaps you're doing it, through extension or nonprofit, and you're able to get a special add-on for a day, or that it's, certainly check with your insurance provider to see what might be necessary. The logistics of getting over the site, are there fences, are there ditches? If you have a group of 20 or 30 people, are they going to be able to see what they need to see and be able to get access to what they need to be able to get access to get a good experience? You might need to have a microphone or a megaphone on site so that everybody can hear, and that there's adequate parking, and think about restroom facilities. So I think that it's adds so much to the experience and to the understanding of what a piece of property it might be like for a farming operation, that it's really, if you can, try to figure out a way to do an outdoor experience for the site assessment workshop.